Now in earlier class I have already explained you about salt, common name, chemical name and their formula. There are numbers of salt, but in class 10th standard there are only 4 salts you have to study. Number 1, that is bleaching powder. That is the common name. CN stand for common name, is bleaching powder. CHEM stand for chemical and NAME name is calcium oxychloride, and the formula CaOCl2. Now the common name is bleaching powder, chemical name is calcium oxychloride, and the formula is CaOCl2. Now the preparation, how the bleaching powder is prepared. Preparation, wait. Now the bleaching powder is prepared by the action of chlorine on the dry slaked lime. Now bleaching powder is prepared by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide. Now the reaction is calcium hydroxide, chlorine, and it forms CaOCl2 bleaching powder plus H2O. This is slaked lime or calcium hydroxide, and this is bleaching powder. Now the preparation, the bleaching powder is prepared by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide. The calcium hydroxide, when is treated with the chlorine, it forms bleaching powder and water. This is the preparation of the bleaching powder. Now how the chlorine is obtained, from where? It is obtained from chloroalkali process, and that is the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, that is known as brine solution. When the electric current is passed in the brine solution, it decomposes into chlorine gas, hydrogen gas and the sodium hydroxide, and that chlorine gas is treated with the dry slaked lime, and that form the bleaching powder. Now it is clear? Write down, then I will write the uses of bleaching powder. Uses of bleaching powder. First point A, in cotton and linen in textile industries. industries. B. Wood pulp in paper industries. C. Bleaching washed cloth in laundry. Second, disinfecting drinking water. Now, what is disinfecting? Disinfecting means the bleaching powder kills the germs which is present in the water. Third, an oxidizing agent in chemical industries. The fourth, in the manufacture of chloroform. That is CHCl3. Formula is CHCl3. Now the uses of bleaching powder. First, A part, in cotton and linen in the textile industries. B. Wood pulp in paper industries. C. Bleaching washed clothes in laundry. And the second, disinfecting drinking water and oxidizing agent in chemical industries, and the manufacture of chloroform. The formula is CHCl3. Now copy down. Now, next salt, second number, is POP, that is plaster of Paris. That common name CN is plaster of Paris or POP. Chemical name calcium sulfate hemihydrate. And the formula CaSO4 half H2O. Now the plaster of Paris, common name is plaster of Paris or POP. P stands for plaster, O stands for off, and P stands for Paris. Now the chemical name is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. The formula is calcium CaSO4 half H2O. Now how the calcium plaster of Paris is prepared? Now when the gypsum is heated at 373 Kelvin, it loses the water molecules and give calcium sulfate half molecules of water of crystalline, and that is called plaster of Paris. Now preparation. When gypsum is heated at 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecule and forms calcium sulfate, of half molecule of water of crystalline. Suggestion, that is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, CaSO4 half H2O. Now the preparation: when gypsum is heated at 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecules and forms calcium sulfate of half molecule of water of crystallization, and that is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Formula is calcium sulfate. Now this is the reaction, and now I am writing the reaction. CaSO4 2H2O 373 Kelvin water plus 1.5 and this is POP and this is gypsum. Now write. Now and this is the reversible reaction. Half H2O. It is not clear. One and wait. Now this is clear. Now POP on mixing of water, it changes into gypsum. Now it is the reversible reaction. Here you see this calcium sulfate hemihydrate on mixing of water, it changes into gypsum, and it is a reversible reaction. And this is POP. Now it is clear. 1.5. Here, this whole reaction, this one. When it is combined, when it is the POP dissolved in water, it forms gypsum again. And this is the reversible reaction. Now, when the POP is dissolved in water and it changes into gypsum, and this is the reversible reaction. Now what happens when the gypsum is heated over 400 Kelvin? It will changes into anhydrous calcium sulfate, and that is called dead burnt plaster, and that is it is no no use.
It is of no use.
It is of no use, and this is useless. Now it is clear. Now I am writing, when the calcium calcium sulfate dihydrated is heated above 400 Kelvin, CSO4 plus 2H2O, anhydrous calcium sulfate, that is dead burnt plaster, and this is the gypsum.
This is the this is the
GYPSUM, gypsum. Now this is the dead burnt plaster, useless. It is of no use. This anhydrous calcium sulfate, it is of no use. Now it is clear. Now I am writing the preparation of uses of POP. Shall I rub? Uses of POP. First, doctor used as plaster. Doctor used as plaster, and the doctor used the plaster to set the fractured bone in the correct position. Now the second, in making toys, casts, mask, and decoration material. Third, in making chalk. Fourth, in making fire proof material. Now these are the uses of plaster of Paris. The first, the doctor used as plaster, and I have already explained you that the doctor set the fractured bone in the correct position. And the second is in making toys, casts, masks, and decoration materials. Third, in making chalk, and the chalk, the teachers use the chalk in their teaching. And the fourth is in making fireproof material. Now this much is the uses of POP. Now the next salt is baking soda, that I will tell you the next